Mastering English Pronunciation, Exploring the World of Resources. Hello language enthusiasts, and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll dive deep into an important topic under the English language learning journey, exploring various pronunciation resources and materials. As we all know, mastering pronunciation is a crucial step in improving our speaking and listening skills, and today, we'll share some strategies to make this process easier and more fun. Pronunciation resources are powerful tools that can significantly assist you in improving your English pronunciation skills. From audio tapes to online tutorials, the range of resources available can help you grasp the nuances of English sounds, rhythm, intonation, and stress patterns. By regularly incorporating these resources into your practice, you can observe noticeable improvements in your pronunciation over time. There are numerous types of pronunciation resources available, and each one is suited to different learning styles and needs. Here are a few options. 1. Audio and video tutorials. These tutorials offer visual and auditory guidance, showing the movements of the mouth and tongue during pronunciation. They often come with repeat after me exercises to help you imitate the sounds. 2. Language learning apps. Many apps offer pronunciation exercises with instant feedback. They use voice recognition technology to correct your pronunciation and can be a handy tool for self-study. 3. English pronunciation books. Books provide detailed explanations about phonetics and include practice exercises. They can be a great supplement to other resources. 4. Practice with native speakers. While not a resource in the traditional sense, conversing with native speakers gives you exposure to authentic pronunciation and natural speech patterns. Now, let's talk about how you can effectively incorporate these resources into your practice. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your needs. Understand where you need improvement. Is it specific sounds, stress patterns, intonation, or rhythm? Step 2. Choose the right resources. Select the resources that best address your needs. Remember, it's quality over quantity. Step 3. Regular practice. Dedicate a specific amount of time daily for pronunciation practice. Consistency is key to improvement. Step 4. Track progress. Keep a record of your improvement. This will help you see your progress and stay motivated. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the value of various pronunciation resources and how to incorporate them into your practice. As always, remember, the path to mastering any language, including English, is a journey. So, enjoy the process, stay consistent, and you'll surely reach your pronunciation goals. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and happy speaking.